Just giving a glimpse of what's coming up in this episode. It's going to be packed. Reaching Kodaikanal and checking in, this is the view I'm stepping into. I'm having a cup of tea with this amazing view. And now heading off to collect my bib. Stopping here to check the map. Ah man, wrong place to stop. Now I can't pull back. Need to get off and pull the bike back myself. Classic rookie mistake. What a view this is. Riding my own vehicle on new roads in a completely new place. It's exciting, fun, and honestly, a little bit surreal. I'm giving a lift to a fellow runner who's heading to collect his bib. He's been struggling to find a place to stay. Helping him out felt good.
Marathon. You also. I am also part.
We're at Samira Oxygen Properties. This is the bead collection spot, also getting the event t-shirt here. Return to Zostel. On the way back, I'm stopping to take a few pics and videos. Found someone who can help click my pics too. Lucky. Now heading to Coaker's Walk, showing you a POV preview. This place has crazy views. In the next episode, I'll share the full POV. If you like this kind of content, drop a comment below and let me know. It's run day, at the starting point now. Doing a quick warm-up, though they aren't conducting one officially. The 21K is supposed to start at 6:30 a.m., but we're starting at 7:45. Huge delay. At the first climb, there's a bottleneck. Everyone's stuck. Queue is forming. In 5 minutes, the 10K group joins too. The trail has black soil and incline. People are sliding, some are waiting, others are helping. Kids from the 5K group are being pushed ill. I even spot a snake on the way. The views are breathtaking though. I think of giving up exactly 6 times. I sit for 5 minutes, but I tell myself I'm not quitting. I finish third last. 4 hours, 28 minutes. Better than the 55 people who didn't finish. Bryant Park, small place, 20 entry. I don't have cash, but someone helps me out. Kindness of strangers. Kodaikanal Lake. Good spot with boating and horse riding. But I'm short on time, so skipping boating. Poombarai. The view from the top is insane. But there's poor signal here, so no calls or Insta posts from this spot. For Palani Temple view, this point shows the Palani Temple Hill, hence the name, one of the best views of the day. But it starts raining. So I stop at a roadside tea stall, sip some hot tea, and end the vlog here.
Edits.